Good morning, students. Myself Gyanesh Singh. Today I teach you Kingdom Animalia, classification of animals. Animalia means animals. Animals and difference between animals and plants. Plants having cell wall, animals having cell membrane. Animals having centrosomes and plant lacking of centrosomes. In animals, chloroplast absent, but in plant is chloroplast present. In animals, vacuoles are absent or very small, and plants vacuoles are present very large. This is the difference between plant and animals. Now I teach you classification of Animalia. Animalia divided into protozoa and metazoa. Protozoa, it is a microscopic and eukaryotic unicellular organism such as amoeba, paramecium and euglena. Eumetazoa, these animals are multicellular organisms. Eukaryotic multicellular organism. Eumetazoa is divided into two groups, non-chordata and chordata. Non-chordata and chordata. Non-chordata lacking of notochord, chordata having with notochords. Non-chordata gills are absent and chordata gills are present in any stage of life. Any stage of life. Third, non-chordata central nervous system is solid and chordata central nervous system hollow. This is the main difference between the non-chordata and chordata. Then I teach you the non-chordata. Non-chordata, the phylum Porifera, Coelentata, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, and Echinodermata. Porifera, porous-like structures, whole body wearing pores. This is called porifera. Porifera, the body is diploblastic with pores and skeleton calcareous and siliceous. For example, silicon, leishmania, and Coelentata, Ceylon means cavity. Body is hollow. No digestive system is present. These are Coelentata. Coelomic cavity is present. So this Coelentata is Hydra is Coelentata. Platyhelminthes, flatworm, septivorm. These are some animals are free livings and maximum animals are parasites. Body is triploblastic and bisymmetrical. These having the calcareous sucks organs for sucking the food, such as Teniasonium or tapeworm, and the flatworm, liver fluke. Nematoda, nema means thread-like structure. These are called roundworm, Ascaris. Annelida, ring-like structures. Whole body is present with small rings. So these are Annelida. Circulatory system is closed type. Arthropoda. Arthro means jointed. Poda means feet. Jointed feet. Body is divided in head, thorax, and abdomen. External skeleton is made up of chitins. 2 pair of wings and 3 or 4 pairs of legs. Circulatory system open. This blood is white. It is called limb. Mollusk means soft. Body is soft. These are soft bearing body. Is soft bearing body. This phylum includes octopus and animals are phylum having soft body. Therefore, these animals characterized by process of external or internal cell. Hard plate are present throughout the body. This is called mental. It is made up of calcium carbonate. Body is also covered with mantle. Animals are diploblastics. Body is unsegmented. These are Junio and Phyla. Echinus means spiny. Skin spiny. These are star-shaped. The animals are characterized by rough and spiny skin. The animals are found in only seawater. Well-developed water circulatory system. Absent brain, such as the examples starfish. Thank you. Okay.